Alrighty everyone, thanks for watching another video with us. Today we are looking at a Yamaha Natural Sound KX-330 stereo cassette deck. This is a black brushed aluminum face. It has a multicolored display, including the graphic EQ output. And we're going to give her a quick go. We've got a Star Wars soundtrack cassette in there, and got her hooked up to the old stereo, so we'll go ahead and give her a shot. So, nice clean sound on both channels. So, no issues there. Turn this down a little bit. Anywho, so there's the, you can see the counter, so the reset on the counter does indeed work. You know, fast forward works. You'll see that. Stop that, and rewind works. You see that. And of course the eject function. She looked reasonably clean in there, but the buyer's definitely going to want to give it a good clean and lubrication, as would be appropriate for any piece of vintage electronics that's been sitting around possibly for a while. So it's got a really nice graphic EQ display again, multicolor display, and overall the case and everything is in really good condition. So that's it in a nutshell. Obviously we can't test all of the you know, functions that are included in this deck. So, you know, the buyer's going to have a couple of days, get it hooked up, you know, do some recordings, whatever it is you're going to want to do with this cassette deck, and make sure it works well for you. And if it doesn't, by golly, then you just let us know. But we're pretty confident this one's in good shape. So, thanks for looking.